Yeah.
Who's that?
Hello. Countless chocolates for my countless love.
Happy Father's Day.
Jesus Christ.
Hi guys. Uy, isug man fansin. Uy, isug lapay man na nimo. Di na maghawid sa cellphone. Oh. Oh. Bisaya mong ka, uy. Agalis to tagay. Oh. 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 Dumbi-dumbi. Bagong arte niyo. Psst. Dah. Suko Misha, ay suko Francine. Allah, isugang Francine. Suga, uy. Ay, suga na, uy. Lah, kukuk. What's that? Kukuk? Lah. Lah. Kukuk. Hulog ka na. Ay, lihok. Kukuk. Uy. Kukuk. Francine. Francine, kukuk. Kukuk. Hulog ka na. Kukuk. Dapat ni wang langgam be. Ala, kukuk. Ala. Kukuk. Kukuk. La. Kukuk. Apa aku nak nak run? Le. Francine. Francine, kukuk. B-I-N-G-O. Fly ng bird. Kukuk. Nagikan be. Francine. Ganahan kag lingkod-lingkod dra da. Hulog ka dra. Ay glihok. Up. Hello guys. Good afternoon. It's Saturday ngayon guys. At uuwi na si Franks. Supposedly bukas pa Sunday, pero last night sabi niya uuwi daw siya today kasi matatapos din naman yung event nila. Hindi matatapos yung event, yung kasamahan niya lang daw ang dediretso sa ibang event. So uuwi daw siya para din daw, aywan ko bakit siya uuwi agad. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko guys, surprise ko siya sa Father's Day. That is tomorrow, Sunday. And then since last night nagpagdesisyonan niya, buti nga sinabi sa akin na uuwi siya ngayon siya uuwi. So I have dapat sana ang surprise ko sa kanya ay ngayon ko gagawin lahat. At so I end up a last minute na DIY para sa kanya. Pero yung ang gagawin ko sana is magpapa-dinner sa kanya. Gagawa ako ng DIY na yung jar of love, pero lalagyan ko siya ng photos namin at saka lalagyan ko siya ng mga etche. So since hindi ko na prepare lahat yesterday, hindi kasi gabi na siya nagsabi, akala ko today makapag-shopping ako, pero wala lang time. So I ended up preparing this stuff. I have here guys, it's a a coupon para siyang ano guys, parang treat mo sa kanya dahil Father's Day. So ang nilagay kong free coupon dito is ano to siya, apat na freebie or treat ko sa kanya for Father's Day. And it says, ballpen nga lang to guys, supposedly papagandahin ko pa to, pero wala na talagang time kasi busy dito sa bahay. So balik tayo dito. So this one, a Father's Day, nilagay ko dito, love coupons, a Father's Day treat for you. Redeem your coupons anytime. So first is I make here, ballpen lang talaga to siya guys. Dinner date with your wife. With your wife lang guys. Kasi late na uuwi siya. Mga 9 na siya abot. So antayin ko na lang siya antayin ko na lang siya bago ako magkain ng dinner. At saka ang mga bata papakainin ko ng mauna para peace at peace na pagdating niya. And then I have free foot spa. Free foot spa. Ako lang din ang magpo-foot spa sa kanya guys. And I have free foot massage. Iba ba yung foot spa at foot massage? Comment guys kung mali ako, pero yung pagkakaintindi ko, foot spa, yun yung lilinisin mo yung paa niya, lalagyan mo ng eche boriche, kasi ginawa ko na yan last before. At saka foot massage, yun yung diba may mga liniment na or something. Pero kung same ang foot spa at foot massage, sorry guys kung hindi ko alam. Pero ang foot massage kasi sa aming dalawa, kung frank, kasi pag foot spa, nandun kami sa bathroom. Pag foot massage, sa bed namin ginagawa para lalagyan ng mga liniment. At saka free haircut kasi nung umalis siya, hindi siya nakapagpagupit. So, free ko siya ng haircut, pero syempre ako ang magbabayad. So, ayan, DIY treat for Father's Day, yun. May pa-DIY ako dito at isasabit ko to siya sa pintuan, guys, pag andito na siya. Bali kung malapit na siya dumating. So, ikikip ko muna to siya guys. At saka, ito yung jar na sana gagawin ko for pictures, and lalagyan ko sana siya ng picture namin, at saka lalagyan ko siya ng lights para ilagay niya lang sa office. Pero it turned out na hindi ko magagawa dahil nga last minute. So, I put here chocolates, M&M's. Hindi to siya actually M&M's. Ano ba tong tawag? Ano bang chocolate to nilagay ko dito eh? Nilagyan ko siya ng chocolates dito, at saka lalagyan ko siya ng note. See, may made with love dyan. Kasi dapat i-DIY ko to siya nga, kung nga sana siya, pero hindi ko magawa, siguro next time na lang. So nilagyan ko siya ng chocolates para parang hilig kasi si Frank ng chocolates. So siguro para may mapipik siya habang nasa office niya siya. So may mapipik siya para hindi na siya palaging nag-open ng isang whole na bar of chocolate. So ayan, may peanut yan siya. At lalagyan ko siya ng note na I love you to pieces or countless love. Lalagyan ko pa siya ng note dyan guys. Sticky notes lang yung ibibigay ko. So ayun, lalagay ko yan siya dyan. At saka ngayon guys, ipiprepare ko na yung dinner namin. Frank loves, gustong-gusto ni Frank yung pork ribs. Gustong-gusto na yan ng ribs. So, this morning, nag-ano ako guys, ano matawag nito? Nag-marinate ako ng pork ribs, at saka gagawin ko siya ngayon, ilalagay ko siya sa oven ngayon, tapos for 2 hours siya. So, pero, for 2 hours siya, pero tatanungin ko muna siya kung anong exact time siya uuwi para pag maluto, papakainin ko mga bata, at saka pagdating niya, hindi masyadong malamig na. So, ayun. So, I'll show you later guys pag natapos ko na yung dinner. Hello guys, good evening. It's late na guys. It's actually 12 midnight na. Tapos sana supposedly dadating si Frank kasi at first diba at 9, pero nasiraan, pero na-delayed sila dun sa kanilang event. Na-delayed sila sa event, or ewan ko ba kung ano, basta yun na yun. Na-delayed sila, so sabi niya 12 na sila makakadating dito. Pero it turned out na nasiraan sila ng sasakyan. Ngayon na stranded sila sa street. Tapos ngayon lang sila na pick up ng yung basta yun na yun, na pick up. Tapos hindi pa sila makakauwi, in short. Sabi niya mag-hotel na lang daw muna sila, tapos bukas na sila uuwi, and later tomorrow na sila uuwi. So yung pasurpresa ko na prepare ko, hindi siya natuloy. Yung ribs, nilagay ko lang doon. Wala, kami lang kumain. Pero siguro ang gagawin ko na lang guys, pero itong ginawa ko, itong yan, at ito, nilagay ko actually dito guys, countless chocolates for my countless love, diba? Mga dinalian or mga quick last minute DIY to, tapos turned out na bukas pa sila papala sila uuwi. Sana kung nalaman ko, sana nag-spend na lang ako talaga ng time sa town. Pero ayun, so ayun guys, hindi ko na lang siya aantayin kasi nag-text siya na mag-hotel na lang daw sila, so matutulog na lang ako. At saka bukas, let's see kung i-film ko pa rin kung yung pag nakita niya to, kasi sa office niya ko to ilalagay para pagdating niya makikita niya sa table niya. Pero for now, yun ang ating ganap, ang surprise na dinner namin. Sana wala, so nandito yun sa coupon. So it seems like maggagawa ako again ng special na dinner for us. So let's see tomorrow pag nakita niya. So ayun guys, so see you tomorrow guys kung andito na si Frank. Now cry. You wanna cry? You wanna cry? Iyak siya guys. Tapos ngayon yung naiiyak pag nakikita ang camera. You wanna cry? You wanna cry? Hello guys, dadating na ngayon si Frank at saka mga around 4, nasa ano na daw siya, nasa city. So antayin natin si Frank guys, at yung isa andun sa closet ko. Naglagay ako ng konting lipstick para di naman tayo luspad, hindi naman tayo maputla sa camera. At saka pagdating rin ni Frank, i-film ko guys si Francine. Ayun, i-film ko si Francine guys kung anong reaction niya ng pagdating na papa niya. First time to na hindi niya nakita yung papa niya for few days. Yun nga, dahil nga na 4 days all in all, magpo 4 days all in all, wala yung papa niya. So let's see kung anong reaction niya pagdating ng papa niya. At saka yung yung umiiyak yan siya pag wala ako. Close, you wanna close that? So yung nagluto pala kami ulit ng banana cake guys, kasi yung mga bata pinaluto ko sila. Tingnan nga natin, baka napagod na ni. Baka okay na to. Wait lang guys, bilbil na to. Ay, baba ko na naman. So, sunny sa labas guys. Sabi ni Frank, labas daw ako. Pero hindi, antayin ko na lang siya dito kasi I want to see ang reaction ni Francine sa pagdating niya, para makita ko kung anong ma-film ko kung anong reaction ni Francine sa. And then mga around almost 5 nandito na yun. So ngayon is around 4 something pa. So ayun guys. Come here. Is that Papa? Is that Papa? Where are you going? Not yet. Papa? Is that Papa? No, not yet. No. Is that it? There's no Papa there. No Papa there. Hi, Papa. Is Papa? Papa? Yeah. Hala. Guapo or African?
Is that?
What?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Hello. Nobody else with me, just my bag.
Hand cream, it says.
Wait.
But your face is not a hand.
What's that? Hey!
What's that?
Concede A. You get everything, get you.
What's that? Read, there's a label on that. Where did you get that?
Made with slow.
No, there's a label.
Yeah, but...
Pharmacy is also... Jesus, you have no t-shirt eh.
What? Countless chocolates for my countless love.
Happy Father's Day.
Jesus Christ, hey, that's nice. Look at that.
Yeah. That's there for your office,
With
na?
love. Yeah, you're probably going to come more often now. Since
No,
you're gonna have that
no.
chocolate too.
No, that's for you.
Love coupons.
That's lovely. What's that?
Father's Day treat for you.
What?
What's that? Rhythm?
Redeem.
Rhythm on our friend? Anytime? 2019? Dinner date with your wife?
That's supposed to be last night, maybe.
That was supposed
Yeah,
to last
yeah.
night since I was not
Yeah,
free.
yeah.
Oh, shit.
If you just said stick
Free
to the Sunday.
food spa and spa or just food spa?
Food spa only, baby.
Oh. Free food massage?
Yeah. Don't claim that today, na? I said it. Claim anytime, but you don't need to claim it today.
Free haircut?
Yeah, I'll pay for your haircut then.
What the?
That's all.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all the
It's only
coupons.
one-sided. What about the other side? There's nothing here.
Shall I say, yeah?
What the?
You win a coupons there, na?
Yeah, that's cool. But how did you?
Baby, it's just chocolates there.
Thank you.
Don't
very
ask
much.
where and how.
Yeah.
Just enjoy it. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Hello guys, ito lang yung pasalubong ni Frank sa akin. I told her this is all what you get for me. After 4 days of...
What the fuck? Get that for you.
No, it's a freebie guys. In the... Freebie to siya dun sa event. At saka, they get this for free. Then I have one also. Size small. And Frank too. That one. And there's 2 more here for the kids. Where's that? Oh, there's a balloon.
Yeah, I got also balloons. I got 2 of them so they won't fight. Vanessa and Ella.
And for Francine? No more for baby? No t-shirt for baby?
No, there's no extra small.
Look at your face, baby. No baby size. So it's only mama and the kids.
And 2 balloons for the kids.
May balloon siya.
I got that here. Key rings for them.
Okay.
More
Mga freebie siya sa event, guys. Sa
German Army
yeah.
military.
Mhm.
Open door 2019. We have that event for the last, I think, 4 or 5 years now. Where all the military bases open the gates for spectators.
Oh, you're Kwan.
Hey!
Not that she's
My
coming.
God, hey.
Ala. So, that's all for today, guys. Nakita nyo naman, guys, yung ano namin. Can you...
Where's the other one?
Francine sold it already. Bili na kayo. T-shirt. T-shirt for sale. So, ayun na. So happy Father's Day, Frank.
Thank you very much.
Happy Father's Day to all fathers in the world. Will be uploaded late because today is Sunday. Today is Father's Day. So belated happy Father's Day to all fathers in the world. And thank you all for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye bye and have a happy
Happy New Year. Jesus.
Bye everybody.
Bye.